That is Michael Jordan's plane. And we're just casually waiting out here to see Michael Jordan. Before we go out, I'm gonna give you a little tour because Ian is pooping and who knows how long that will take.
Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe when it clicked on the trot over in the bright morning dew. We brushed and we braided dandelions and chewed. It was a mutual arrangement.
Good morning. I made coffee this morning, and this coffee machine here in the Bahamas is complicated, and I didn't know which hole to put water in, so I put it in both, and now there's water all over the floor, and you can't see it, but I definitely think I put it in the wrong hole. Oops. But I did also put it in the right one because we have coffee. My coffee fogged up the screen. Ooh, I have some beachy hair. I'm not washing my hair the rest of the trip. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, before the vlog starts, I really wanted to tell you guys kind of what's up because maybe you're new to the channel, maybe you, or maybe you're new to this type of video on my channel because this is a new season of life that I'm in, which is very exciting. My husband Ian is a pilot. He recently got a new job flying G4s and G5s, and on occasion, I get to come with him. I only really go with him on the trips where there's gonna be a lot of leisure, a lot of laid back time. A lot of times when he is flying, he is literally going, you know, to Kansas and Arkansas and then Europe and the Bahamas, but he doesn't get to stay. So for this trip though, he is going to Miami, staying for 4 days, and then going to the Bahamas and staying for 3 days, and I am going with him. So at this point in the trip, we are in the Bahamas. Today is day 1 in the Bahamas, which is what I like to call it. This is the view from our room. Anyways, this is just a vlog of me hanging out, going to work with Ian while he is a private jet pilot. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, this is the video. We are gonna go explore an island.
Hope Town.
Hope Town.
Hope Town.
Hope it's a great time.
Oh, dang.
Before we go out, I'm gonna give you a little tour because Ian is pooping and who knows how long that will take. This is the door. When you walk in, ta-da! Bedroom number 1. And remember, this is literally just for me and Ian. This is bedroom and bathroom number 1, that's me. Bedroom number 2. Bathroom number 2. There's no mirror in this one, but there is a mirror right here. And Ian.
Hello!
A giant dining room table for...
Are you giving them the tour?
The tour.
The tour?
The kitchen. The mess I made this morning because I did the coffee pot wrong. I filled up
Wait, how did you do the coffee pot wrong?
I filled up. I didn't know which place to fill up for coffee because...
Did you fill up the water where the beans go?
No, I don't know. It does both pods. It is pods and regular coffee, so I think I put the water in the wrong thing and the right thing, and it overflowed onto the floor. Water, because you can't drink the tap. His back like this. Then living room, TV, which goes to porch, our bedroom, which also goes to the porch, and then the bathroom. Me again. And all of my products. You know, sometimes you go on vacation and you don't bring everything that you need, but this time I was like, screw it. I'm bringing it all. I'm not gonna go and be like, oh, dang it, I wish I would have brought blah, blah, blah. Nope. I didn't pack light. Should we go?
We should go.
Okay. Let's go. We're taking a ferry to, what's it called? Where are we going?
Hopetown.
Hopetown. We made it to another little island.
To Hopetown.
We hope there are good things here.
Is the crazy coconut? How spicy is that?
It's a little spicy, but not a great deal.
But holy shit, it's pretty hot.
Yeah, so that is about, all it is inside the holy shit is pepper.
Really? Sweet. Okay. Yeah, I'll get these two.
Ian, I want to live in a little house like that, but that's bigger than that.
Congratulations.
We just biked all the way down to Mackey's coffee shop. I had to take off my pants because I was getting splashed with water. Oh my gosh. It's a baby chicken. Oh my gosh. Eden.
He moved like a magnet.
Which pants on?
Wearing holes in the carpet.
Pants on.
Counting steps to the back porch. Same song from the screen door. He was a score on a mountain, waiting for a sign of red.
Watch your fingers and be careful the pigs bite.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Just be careful. That's all.
That is kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie.
Card horse with his head down, devoted to a way of being. But he broke wide open, like a bird in spring, with a deep line potion, made of love and pain. He was really living.
Put down the pig here.
Man on the way, with a deep emotion, made of love and pain.
Oh, it snorted.
It's okay.
I don't want to get it. I don't want to make it a Come here, baby.
Porker. Come here, Pork.
She lived in
It's right there, look. That is the shark, and you're in the water.
the
Hannah, what are you nervous about?
Can you do one, and I'll do one. Got it. Do I just put it flat and put my thumb down?
Correct.
It flew off of my hand. It flew off my hand.
Pick it up.
Wait, I
It's
need
right
another
there.
one. Whoa, what's that?
It's a,
It's squid.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
It's some calamari.
Put my hand all the way underneath like this.
Open it and suck it out. Keep your hand open so the fingers don't go
just move your thumb at the last second, baby. It's not gonna bite you.
down. You gotta go low. You gotta put your hand on the. There you go.
I think I got. Oh, I did. Yeah, no, I got it. I got it. Wow! Well, let me take this off.
Here you go. Watch behind. Watch behind.
She almost took my finger. I swear.
It will bite your finger.
It almost took my finger.
No, they don't suck it. They won't bite you.
Look at that biting. Get out of here.
They're fighting. big one's fighting the little one.
Yeah, he's like, that's my fish. Oh, I touched it. I touched the butt.
All right, I'm gonna stop.
Okay.
I've seen you guys in there, and they're all over you guys.
Here they come again. It's just in like circles.
I heard you in the back, but I thought you were over there looking the other way.
He's like, coming for you, Eric.
Surprise! Oh, their eyes are so cool.
It's like swimming towards me.
It's like they like to come up and say hi to you. Today is probably one of the funnest days I've ever had so far in life. Touching those stingrays and just seeing all the wildlife was crazy. But we're back, I'm showered, and speaking of showers, it is raining. But tonight is our last dinner before we get on the plane tomorrow morning and head back to California. And to be honest, I am ready to be home in my own bed, but I have had the best time. Today was so surreal and so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go have some barbecue dinner out here. There's also a place inside that's really cute. And I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm all dressed and ready to be a flight attendant for the flight back. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited to go home and edit all this together and put it on YouTube so you guys can see it. Goodbye, Bahamas. It's been pretty cloudy this entire time except for today when we're leaving. Isn't that great? That is Michael Jordan's plane. And we're just casually waiting out here to see Michael Jordan. It's gonna happen. Michael!
He moved like a magnet, wearing holes in the carpet, counting